Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Reza Maulana Alfarisi. I'm from Agribusiness Study Program, Faculty of Agriculture, University of Trunojoyo, Madura. In this video, I will explain intellectual property right. Point 1. The definition of intellectual property right. Intellectual property rights are a right derived from humans both to produce a useful product, service, or process for society. So it could be considered that intellectual property right was the right to enjoy economically the product of an intellectual creativity. The object, government in the intellectual property of works produced by the intellectual capacity of humans. Point 2. Purpose and benefit of intellectual property right. Purpose. The aim of his exercise of intellectual property was to protect the owner of the work. Benefit. As a legal protection against the creator, the individual of group have for his troublemaking work with the economic value embodied in them. Anticipate and also prevent infraction of property belong to another. Promote competition, especially in regard to the commercialization of intellectual property, because intellectual property rights will encourage the creator to continue to create and innovate and gain the appreciation of society. Consider the strategy of research and industry in Indonesia. Point 3. Kind of intellectual property right. The intellectual property line was divided into two kinds, copyright as well as industrial property right. Here's the detail in detail. Copyright. Copyright has been given to the creator himself, and they have the exclusive right to announce of or duplicate his creation. The copyright in question is in the realm of art and literature. Industrial property right. The right of industrial well is a right that protects a company from various plagiarism and can also arrange the things in the industrial environment. Here's his kind of protection. Patent. Patent rights are exclusive rights given to individual or group that have solved certain problem with a technology. Brand. A brand is a mark of picture and names of words, letters, and numbers is intended to be a distinction in the trade activity of product or service. Industrial design. Industrial design is a masterpiece of the shapes, the composition of the color, and the line that give an impression of the item. Integrated circuit layout design. Integrated circuit are a finished or half-finished product in which there are many integrated component elements resulting in electronic function. Trade secret. Trade secrets are property to information relation to technology or business and have economic value but are not required by society. Geographical indication. The right to protect a product or service that indication the land of an item or service. Profile. Profile in PT Mitsubishi Electric Indonesia. The company will officially be Mitsubishi Center for Electronic Product from air conditioner, household electronic to factory machine. This new company officially start operation next March 2013. Mitsubishi Electric, the new company establishment will increase sales by a new 23 billion yen or an equivalent of as $3,000 million a year in the next 2016. The new company will strengthen sales of Mitsubishi electronic product in Indonesia. One of the product Mitsubishi will keep for air conditioner. Mitsubishi Indonesia air cooling market will grow strong as the real estate industry grows. Air conditioner demand from the housing and commercial sector is expected to grow significantly because of rising income from the expanding middle class. Mitsubishi Electric Indonesia also expands sales of household electronics like refrigerator. The company will present a refrigerator of 2 to 3 doors for customers in Indonesia, especially high-end consumers. The Japanese company will also strengthen the sales of component of the automotive sector, also marketed with energy-saving system, starting with water purification system for factory and office. Mitsubishi Electric is also interested in infrastructure and transportation, one of which is the subway project in Jakarta. Case study: basic policy. Protection of intellectual property rights supports technological progress and healthy competition, and contributes to the realization of the purpose, lifestyle, and development of society. Mitsubishi Electric Group knowledge that intellectual property rights represent important management resource for the future and must be protected. By integrating business activity, R&D, and intellectual property, the group positively strengthens its global intellectual property assets, which are closely linked to group growth strategy and contribute to business and community and seek to protect intellectual property rights. Division of Intellectual Property. The Mitsubishi Electric Group Intellectual Property Division includes the Headquarter Intellectual Property Division, which is directly accountable to the President, and the R&D File Intellectual Property Division and affiliates. The activity of the respective division of intellectual property will carried out under the supervision of the Executive Officer of Intellectual Property in each location. The Headquarter Intellectual Property Division formulates a strategy for the whole group, promote important projects, coordinate interaction with external institutions, including the Patent Office, and is responsible for all public relation activity association with intellectual property. On the ground level, the R&D Center and the affiliates, the Division of Intellectual Property, promote various strategies that are in harmony with the group's overall intellectual property strategy. Through cooperation, this division works to link and unify their activity in order to develop more effective programs. Global Intellectual Property Strategy. Mitsubishi Electric Group identifies key themes related to intellectual property based on important business projects and R&D, as well as accelerates globalization of intellectual property activities by filing patents before developing business in developing countries where opportunities for expansion are expected. Through this program, trying to create a powerful global patent network. As an indicative of intellectual property capability and of the activity of global intellectual wealth, Mitsubishi Electric Group, this company, Japan's second largest patent registration in 2019, as announced by the Japan Patent Office, and number 2 in the World Patent Corporation 30 in 2019, as revealed by the World Intellectual Property Organization. Besides contribution a patent network, Mitsubishi Electric Group is also actively seeking for design rights in Japan and abroad to perfect financial aspect and design from technology. Respecting intellectual property right, Mitsubishi Electric Group steadily recognizes the importance of knowledge as other and respecting not only his own intellectual property but also the intellectual property right of others. The attitudes are clearly listed in Mitsubishi Electric Group before quit learn and practice throughout the group. The violation of other party intellectual property rights is not only in operation to ethics code and adherence of the company but also potentially very disruptive to the continued survival on the group. Likely, the cost involved either a substantial cost pay or a forced termination of certain product. Mitsubishi Electric made proposal about the association intellectual and amenable policy of intellectual property from the industrial perspective. Through its existence of the institution such as the Central Office of Intellectual Property and other government against under the Patents Office. and industrial organizations such IDANREN, Japan Business Federation, and Intellectual Property Association. In view of the progress of today's economic globalization, Mitsubishi Electric is actively conducting an exchange of views and information with the World Intellectual Property Organization and Patent Office abroad, and collaboration in the making intellectual property policy from a vast global perspective. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.